Hey everyone, this video is about how to remove background noises in the video by using Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, first open Premiere Pro and create new project. Import the footages. Okay, this was the audio with background noise. To remove background noise in the audio, go to Effects and search Denoise. Then you can see this effect. Click, drag and drop the denoise effect on audio like that. Now you can see the effect was added. Then on Effects Control, click Edit. Now you can see this noise adjuster meter. It ranges from 0 to 100. If 100 means it eliminates all the noises with some audio distortion. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks. So we are going to adjust between 50 to 60 range. That was good for most cases. Now I adjust this to 50 plus. Let's see. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks. Yeah, it's better, right? Press Ctrl plus S to save this. Okay, that's it. That option was saved. Then export the project. That's it. You successfully removed video background noises from audio. One more thing, ladies and gentlemen, you forgot one thing. Subscribe our channel.